IBM Security Directory Server Online Training. Learn and upgrade your profile from professional trainer with Proexcellency Solutions Pvt. Ltd. Introduction of IBM Security Directory Server. In today's digital age, managing user identities and access control effectively is crucial for safeguarding your IT infrastructure and sensitive data. This is where IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, steps in, providing a robust and secure platform for centralized identity management and authorization. What is IBM Security Directory Server? A centralized platform, SDS acts as a single source of truth for user identities, storing and managing user information like usernames, passwords, groups, and attributes. Robust security. It enforces granular access control policies, ensuring users only access the resources they are authorized to, minimizing security risks and data breaches. Compliance assurance. With features like data encryption, logging, and auditing, SDS helps comply with industry regulations and data privacy laws. Scalability and performance. SDS is designed to scale seamlessly to accommodate growing user demands and maintain optimal performance even in large and complex IT environments. Integration and collaboration. It integrates with various security tools and platforms, including Active Directory, IAM solutions, and SIEM systems, facilitating better collaboration and comprehensive security monitoring. Here's what makes SDS stand out. Centralized identity management. Manage all your user identities in one place, from creation and provisioning to password management and deprovisioning. Granular access control. Define and enforce access policies based on roles, attributes, and permissions, preventing unauthorized access and minimizing security risks. Compliance and regulations. Adhere to industry standards and data privacy laws with features like data encryption, logging, and auditing. High availability and disaster recovery. Ensure continuous access to critical data even during outages or hardware failures with features like replication, failover clustering, and backup restore options. Scalability and performance. Accommodate growth and maintain optimal performance with features like load balancing, resource management, and performance monitoring. Integration and collaboration. Integrate seamlessly with other security tools and platforms for a holistic view of your identity landscape. Advanced features. Leverage multi-factor authentication, identity federation, and external identity provider integration for modern authentication needs. Key features of IBM Security Directory Server. Centralized identity management. Store and manage all user identities, groups, and roles in one secure location. Granular access control. Enforce strict access rules based on roles, attributes, and specific permissions, preventing unauthorized access to sensitive data. High availability and scalability. Ensure continuous service and data integrity even during outages or with growing user demands. Robust security. Protect user data with encryption, logging, auditing, and compliance features like GDPR and HIPAA adherence. Ease of use. Manage users, groups, and policies through a user-friendly interface and automate tasks for efficiency. Integration. Seamlessly integrates with other security tools, platforms, and Active Directory for holistic identity and access management. Customization. Tailor the server to your specific needs with scripting, custom properties, and advanced configurations. Bonus. Identity lifecycle management. Streamline user creation, access assignment, and deprovisioning with features like self-service provisioning and automated workflows. Compliance and regulatory support. Configure the server to comply with industry regulations and data privacy laws. Advanced features. Explore multi-factor authentication, identity federation, and more for cutting-edge security. Remember, this is just a summary. There are many other features and capabilities of IBM Security Directory Server. The benefits of using Security Directory Server. Here are the benefits of using IBM Security Directory Server in simple terms. Safety first. Centralized control. Imagine all your user accounts and access keys in one secure vault, that's SDS. Manage who can access what, easily. Granular access. Set specific permissions for each user, like giving editors access to documents but not the ability to delete them. Compliance champion. Meet strict data privacy rules, keeping your information safe and sound. Efficiency boost. One identity, many doors. Users only need one login to access all your systems, saving time and frustration. Automated workflows. Say goodbye to manual tasks. SDS automatically adds, updates, and removes user access as needed. Scalability made easy. Grows with your business, handling more users and data without breaking a sweat. Peace of mind. Always available. Your data is always accessible, even if a server goes down. Disaster ready. Bounces back quickly from outages or hardware failures, minimizing downtime. Security experts behind you. IBM's got your back with ongoing support and security updates. So, if you're looking for a secure, efficient, and reliable way to manage user identities and access, IBM Security Directory Server is a great choice. The challenges of using IBM Security Directory Server. The challenges of using IBM Security Directory Server. A simplified overview. While IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, offers robust identity and access management, some potential challenges exist. Complexity. Steep learning curve. Configuring SDS can be intricate, requiring expertise in LDAP protocols and security best practices. Customization burden. Tailoring SDS to specific needs might involve scripting and advanced configurations, demanding technical skills. Performance and scalability. Large deployments, managing massive user bases or complex directory structures could strain server resources and impact performance. Scaling demands. Scaling SDS to accommodate growth efficiently might require additional expertise and infrastructure investment. Integration and interoperability. Legacy systems. Integrating SDS with older systems lacking modern directory protocols could present compatibility challenges. Third-party tools. Seamless integration with specific security tools or platforms might require customization or workarounds. Cost and resources. Licensing fees. Depending on your organization's size and needs, SDS licensing costs could be significant. Qualified personnel. Finding and retaining personnel with the necessary expertise to manage and maintain SDS might be challenging. Additional considerations. Vendor lock-in. Migrating away from SDS to another directory server solution could be complex and costly. Security vulnerabilities. Like any software, SDS is susceptible to security vulnerabilities, requiring constant updates and patching. Remember, these are simplified points, and the specific challenges you encounter will depend on your unique environment and needs. User Lifecycle Management Expert. Become a master of user identities with IBM Security Directory Server. IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, is your key to managing user identities securely and efficiently. As a user lifecycle management expert, you'll ensure the right people have the right access, all while following regulations and keeping data safe. Here's your 3-step journey to expertise. 1. Master the basics. Onboard and offboard users. Seamlessly create, manage, and deactivate user accounts based on their lifecycle needs. Assign access with precision. Use granular controls to grant the right access based on roles, attributes, and specific permissions. Enforce security. Implement strong password policies, access reviews, and audit trails to keep data protected. 2. Deepen your skills. Compliance champion. Configure SDS to meet industry regulations like GDPR and HIPAA with data encryption and reporting tools. High availability hero. Ensure continuous service and disaster recovery through replication, failover, and backups. Integration expert. Connect SDS with other security tools and platforms for a holistic view of identity and access. 3. Become a guru. Advanced configuration. Customize workflows, reporting, and user interfaces to perfectly match your needs. Modern authentication. Explore multi-factor authentication and identity federation for enhanced security. Ongoing learning. Stay updated with best practices, implementation strategies, and industry trends. Ready to embark on your journey? IBM Security Directory Server online training provides the ultimate guide to becoming a user lifecycle management expert. Granular access control and authorization prowess. Locking down your digital kingdom. Mastering access control with IBM Security Directory Server. Imagine a castle with a single, flimsy gate anyone could wander in. That's not ideal for protecting your valuable data. IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, steps in as your digital gatekeeper, offering granular access control and authorization prowess to keep your sensitive information safe. Here's how SDS empowers you to build a secure fortress. 1. Fine-tuning access. Forget one-size-fits-all. SDS lets you define precise access rules based on user roles, attributes, and specific permissions. Imagine a doctor needing access to patient records, but not financial data. SDS can handle that. 2. Multiple layers of security. Think of it as a layered defense. Role-based access control, RBAC, assigns permissions based on user roles, like admin or editor. Attribute-based access control, ABAC, adds another layer, considering user attributes like department or location. 3. Privileges under control. Not everyone needs all the keys. Privilege management lets you restrict access to sensitive actions, like deleting data or changing user roles. Imagine keeping the crown jewels, critical data, under lock and key. 4. Constant vigilance. With SDS, you're not just guarding the gate, you're actively monitoring who comes and goes. Continuous monitoring tracks access attempts and alerts you to suspicious activity. Imagine having security cameras watching every move. 5. Compliance champion. Regulations can be a maze, but SDS helps you navigate it. It supports industry standards like GDPR and HIPAA, making compliance easier. Think of it as a map to avoid getting lost in the regulatory jungle. 6. The power of no. Sometimes, saying no is the best security measure. SDS lets you deny access based on specific criteria, preventing unauthorized attempts before they happen. Imagine having a no trespassing sign with teeth. 7. Collaboration is key. Security shouldn't be a solo act. SDS integrates with other security tools like CM systems, sharing information and empowering your team to work together. Imagine having a network of watchtowers keeping an eye out. 8. Adapting to change. Your needs evolve, and SDS adapts. It's scalable to handle growing user numbers and flexible to fit your specific requirements. Think of it as a fortress that can expand and adjust its defenses. With IBM Security Directory Server, you're not just securing access, you're building a fortress of digital trust. Remember, true security lies in the details, and SDS empowers you to control those details with precision. Scalability and performance optimization. Keeping your directory on track, scaling and optimizing IBM Security Directory Server. Managing user identities and access securely is crucial, but when your organization grows, so do demands on your directory server. Luckily, IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, is built to scale, and with a few tweaks, you can keep it running smoothly even under pressure. Here's a simplified breakdown of key things to know. Scaling up. Hardware matters. Invest in servers with enough CPU, memory, and storage to handle anticipated user growth. Clustering power. Distribute workloads across multiple servers for higher capacity and redundancy. Replication magic. Replicate data across servers to ensure continuous service even if one goes down. Performance optimization. Indexing wisely. Configure indexes efficiently to speed up searches and data retrieval. Caching tricks. Optimize caches to store frequently accessed data for faster response times. Limitless connections. Adjust connection limits to handle large numbers of users without overloading the server. Monitoring is key. Use built-in tools and external monitors to track performance and identify bottlenecks. Remember, start with best practices. Follow IBM's guidelines for configuration and optimization. Tailor to your needs. Adapt these tips based on your specific environment and usage patterns. Seek professional help. For complex setups or large-scale deployments, consider consulting experts. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your IBM Security Directory Server scales seamlessly with your business, keeping your identities and access secure and efficient. Integration and collaboration. Simplifying security with IBM Security Directory Server integration and collaboration. Imagine a world where user identities flow seamlessly across systems, access is always granted to the right people, and collaboration thrives without security risks. That's the power of IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, when it's integrated and collaborative. Here's the gist. Centralized control. SDS acts as your single source of truth for user identities, managing them across diverse systems and applications. No more juggling multiple directories. Granular access. Define who can access what, with features like role-based access control, RBAC, and attribute-based access control, ABAC. Think of it as a security gatekeeper, granting access based on specific permissions, not just usernames. Teamwork made easy. Integrate SDS with other tools like Active Directory, CM systems, and security analytics platforms. Information flows freely, enabling smooth collaboration and shared insights. Compliance simplified. Industry regulations. No sweat. SDS helps you meet data privacy standards like GDPR and HIPAA with features like data encryption, logging, and auditing. Benefits you can feel. Reduced security risks, fewer entry points, tighter access control, and better visibility mean less chance of unauthorized access. Improved efficiency. Eliminate manual tasks, automate access requests, and streamline identity management for happier admins and smoother workflows. Enhanced collaboration. Break down silos, empower teams with shared identity insights, and foster productive teamwork across systems. Peace of mind. Sleep soundly knowing your identities and access are secure, compliant, and well managed. Ready to integrate and collaborate with confidence? Let IBM Security Directory Server be your key to a more secure and efficient digital world. Best practices and implementation strategies. Managing user identities and access control is crucial for security in today's digital world. IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, simplifies this by centralizing identities and enforcing granular access. Here are some best practices and implementation strategies to get the most out of SDS. User lifecycle management. Automated workflows streamline user creation, updates, and deletion with self-service provisioning and automated workflows. Attribute mapping and groups ensure accurate user information and efficient access control with proper attribute mapping and group memberships. Password policies enforce strong password policies to prevent unauthorized access. Access control and authorization. RBAC and ABAC. Utilize role-based access control, RBAC, for simple scenarios and attribute-based access control, ABAC, for granular control based on user attributes and permissions. Privilege management. Minimize risk by granting least privilege access and monitoring privileged user activity. Access reviews and audits. Regularly review access rights and conduct audits to detect and prevent unauthorized access. Compliance and security. Data encryption and logging. Comply with regulations and protect sensitive data with encryption, logging, and auditing. Policy compliance checks. Use built-in tools to ensure policies align with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. CM integration. Integrate with security information and event management, CM, systems for comprehensive security monitoring and incident response. High availability and scalability. Replication and failover. Configure replication and failover clustering to ensure continuous service and data integrity even during outages. Performance monitoring and tuning. Monitor performance and optimize server resources to handle increased user demands and maintain smooth operation. Capacity planning. Plan for future growth by understanding your expected user base and resource requirements. Integration and collaboration. Active Directory and IAM integration. Integrate with Active Directory, Identity Access Management, IAM, solutions, and other security tools for a unified identity management approach. Data sharing and collaboration. Share user data securely and enable collaboration between IT teams, security personnel, and business users. Additional tips. Start small and scale gradually. Document your configurations and policies. Train your users on security best practices. Stay up to date with the latest SDS updates and security patches. By following these best practices and implementation strategies, you can leverage IBM Security Directory Server to effectively manage user identities, enforce access control, and achieve a secure and compliant IT environment. The future of IBM Security Directory Server. Predicting the future of any technology is challenging, but here are some educated guesses about the potential future of IBM Security Directory Server, SDS. Increased focus on cloud deployment. As cloud adoption continues to surge, we can expect further development of SDS for cloud-based deployments, possibly including native Kubernetes and containerized options. This will enable easier scalability and management for modern IT environments. Enhanced security features. To keep pace with evolving threats, SDS will likely see advancements in areas like multi-factor authentication, identity federation, and integration with CM and XDR solutions. This will offer more comprehensive security and threat detection capabilities. Integration with AI and machine learning. Leveraging AI and machine learning could personalize identity access based on user behavior, risk profiles, and real-time threat intelligence. This would enable dynamic and adaptive access control, further enhancing security. Emphasis on user experience, simplifying user self-service, streamlining administration, and improving mobile device support are likely areas of focus. This will cater to the growing demand for user-friendly and accessible identity management solutions. Open source collaboration. While remaining a core IBM offering, SDS might explore open source partnerships or contributions to foster wider adoption and community-driven innovation. Focus on decentralized identity. As decentralized identity frameworks like blockchain gain traction, SDS might integrate with these solutions to offer users more control over their identity data and enable secure, self-sovereign identity management. Continued regulatory compliance. SDS will likely continue to prioritize compliance with evolving data privacy regulations and industry standards, offering tools and features to simplify compliance management. Overall, the future of IBM Security Directory Server appears bright, focusing on cloud readiness, enhanced security, user experience, and adaptation to emerging technologies like AI and decentralized identity. It's important to remember that this is just a speculative outlook, and the actual future of SDS will depend on various factors like market trends, technological advancements, and IBM's strategic decisions. IBM Security Directory Server certification. There is no one specific certification for IBM Security Directory Server. However, there are a few certifications that can help you gain the knowledge and skills necessary to use and manage IBM Security Directory Server. These certifications include IBM Certified Deployment Professional Security Directory Integrator version 7.2, IBM Certified Deployment Professional Security Identity and Access Management version 8.0, IBM Certified Information Systems Security Professional, SysUp, CompTIA Security Plus, GIAC Security Essentials, GSEC. The IBM Certified Deployment Professional Security Directory Integrator version 7.2 certification validates your ability to design, implement, test, and support an IBM Security Directory Server solution. The IBM Certified Deployment Professional Security Identity and Access Management version 8.0 certification validates your ability to design, implement, test, and support an IBM Security Identity and Access Management solution, which includes IBM Security Directory Server. The SysUp certification is a vendor-neutral cybersecurity certification that covers a wide range of security topics, including identity and access management. The Security Plus certification is a vendor-neutral security certification that covers the fundamentals of security, including identity and access management. The GSEC certification is a vendor-neutral security certification that covers the essential security concepts and principles. If you are interested in becoming certified in IBM Security Directory Server, I recommend that you start by taking the IBM Certified Deployment Professional Security Directory Integrator version 7.2 exam. Once you have passed this exam, you can then consider taking the IBM Certified Deployment Professional Security Identity and Access Management version 8.0 exam. Career and salary expectations of IBM Security Directory Server in India. Considering a career in IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, in India? Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Job roles and responsibilities. Security Administrator. Install, configure, and manage SDS, handle user accounts, implement access controls, and maintain security best practices. Identity and Access Management, IAM, specialist, design and implement IAM strategies, integrate SDS with other IAM solutions, and ensure compliance with regulations. Security Architect, design and implement secure IT infrastructure, including directory services like SDS, aligning with organizational security policies. Security Analyst, monitor and analyze security logs, investigate security incidents, and collaborate with other teams to maintain a secure environment. Skills and qualifications. Strong understanding of identity and access management concepts. Experience with directory services like Active Directory or LDAP. Familiarity with security best practices and compliance requirements. Knowledge of scripting languages like Python or PowerShell. Excellent communication and problem-solving skills. Salary expectations. Salaries for IBM Security Directory Server roles in India vary depending on factors like experience. Entry-level roles start around 4 to 5 rupees lakhs per year, while experienced professionals can earn 10 to 15 rupees lakhs or more. Location. Metropolitan cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad typically offer higher salaries compared to smaller towns. Company. MNCs and large IT firms generally offer higher compensation packages than smaller companies. Certifications. Relevant certifications like IBM Certified System Administrator Security V8.X can enhance your profile and earning potential. Career growth. With experience and additional certifications, you can progress to senior roles like Security Architect, IM Manager, or Security Operations Center, SOC, Analyst. Specialization in specific areas like cloud security, threat intelligence, or incident response can open up further career opportunities. Why choose IBM Security Directory Server online training? Here are some compelling reasons why you should choose IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, online training. Upskill and advance your career. Master in-demand skills, gain expertise in a critical enterprise security tool, enhancing your resume and marketability in the cybersecurity field. Stay ahead of the curve, learn about the latest security trends, regulations, and best practices for robust identity and access management. Earn industry-recognized certifications, validate your skills and knowledge with IBM certifications, boosting your professional credibility. Enhanced learning experience. Flexible and convenient, learn at your own pace, anywhere, anytime with online modules and self-paced learning options. Expert-led instruction, access training materials and courses created by IBM subject matter experts, ensuring accurate and up-to-date information. Interactive learning, enhance your understanding with hands-on labs, simulations, and real-world case studies. Community support, connect with other learners and instructors through online forums and communities for support and knowledge sharing. Optimize your organization's security. Improve identity and access governance, effectively manage user identities, enforce granular access control, and ensure compliance with regulations. Reduce security risks, mitigate unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber attacks with a secure directory server solution. Increase operational efficiency, streamline user provisioning, access management, and reporting for enhanced IT productivity. Save time and resources, utilize pre-built tools and automation features to reduce manual tasks and optimize resource allocation. Specific advantages of IBM SDS online training. Focus on real-world application. Practical hands-on labs and case studies help you apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Integration with other IBM security solutions. Learn how to leverage SDS alongside other IBM security offerings for a holistic security ecosystem. Tailored learning paths. Choose training modules based on your specific role, expertise level, and organizational needs. Cost-effective option. Gain valuable skills and knowledge at a fraction of the cost of traditional classroom training. Additional considerations. Your current skill level and experience. Beginners may benefit from foundational courses, while experienced professionals can focus on advanced topics. Your specific needs and goals. Identify the areas you want to improve or the knowledge you want to gain to choose the most relevant training. Your learning style. Consider whether you prefer self-paced learning, interactive modules, or live instructor-led sessions. By carefully considering these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether IBM Security Directory Server online training is the right choice for you and your professional development goals. Why choose Proexcellency IBM Security Directory Server online training? When it comes to enhancing your skills and knowledge in IBM Security Directory Server, SDS, Proexcellency offers a compelling proposition compared to other online training providers. Here are some key reasons why you might choose them. Industry expertise and recognition. Experienced instructors. Proexcellency boasts a team of instructors with extensive industry experience and expertise in IBM security solutions, including SDS. This ensures you receive training from qualified professionals who understand the practical application of the concepts. IBM Authorized Training Partner. Proexcellency is an authorized IBM training partner, signifying their commitment to delivering high-quality training aligned with IBM standards and best practices. Comprehensive curriculum and flexibility. In-depth coverage. The training curriculum delves deep into core SDS functionalities, advanced configurations, best practices, and industry-specific use cases. You'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the platform and its capabilities. Multiple learning formats. Proexcellency offers various learning formats to cater to different learning styles, including instructor-led live sessions, self-paced online modules, and blended learning options. Customization options. You can tailor the training to your specific needs and goals by choosing from different course modules or requesting custom training solutions. Engaging learning environment and support. Interactive sessions. Live sessions are interactive and engaging, allowing you to ask questions, clarify doubts, and actively participate in discussions. Hands-on labs. You'll gain practical experience through hands-on labs that reinforce theoretical concepts and prepare you for real-world scenarios. Support and resources. Proexcellency provides ongoing support throughout the training journey, including access to learning materials, recordings, and technical assistance. Additional benefits. Cost-effective. Proexcellency may offer competitive pricing compared to other training providers, making their training accessible to a wider audience. Convenient and flexible. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule, eliminating the need for travel or fixed class timings. Career advancement. Mastering SDS can significantly enhance your career prospects in the cybersecurity domain. Before making your final decision, it's recommended to compare course outlines and pricing from different providers. Read reviews and testimonials from past participants. Contact the training providers directly to discuss your specific needs and preferences. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the IBM Security Directory Server online training program that best aligns with your learning goals and career aspirations. Thank you. Contact us for more information. 08031508687 +918722079509 info@proexcellency.com www.proexcellency.com Bangalore, India